All right, here we have number 10. This is an inscribed angle, and we are looking to solve for the x. Please understand that relationship between the inscribed angle. So did you know if you want half the arc, that's going to get you the inscribed angle. All right, and here we go. This is the angle itself. That's the angle, so that's 9x minus 25. And the arc here, it is 94. And we got to make sure we want half it because again, we have the inscribed angle. All right, so let's solve now. What's a half of 94? That is 47. Is equal to 9x minus 25. We add 25 to both sides. 47 plus 25, that gets us 72 is equal to 9x. Divide by 9, this gets us 8. This cancels. Is 8 is equal to x. So there you go. That is how we solve using the properties of the inscribed angle. 1/2 the arc is equal to the inscribed angle.